It's time for Justin's Mustang restoration. Hi, I'm Justin, and today I'll be installing new rear 3-point seatbelts in a 1966 Ford Mustang. For this installation, you will need ratchets, sockets, wrenches, a drill bits, and your rear 3-point seatbelt kit. The first step in this installation is to remove the back seat cushions. The next step in this installation is to cut 2 small slits in the rear pad for the bolts. Now mark the point for your rear seatbelt anchor. Then, drill a pilot hole. Next, using that pilot hole, drill a bigger hole from the bottom of the car. After drilling the hole, secure the rear seatbelt anchor. Next, bolt the lower part of the seatbelt to the anchor. After securing the bottom part of the seatbelt, feed the seatbelt over the frame of the rear seat. Now secure the remaining part of the seatbelt to the original factory hole. Next, secure the buckle to the original factory hole. After installing the rear seatbelts, put the rear cushions back in place. Once you have completed the installation, repeat the steps on the opposite side. The rear 3-point seatbelts are very important because they add more protection with the belt coming down across the chest. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel for more restoration videos.